it's Asheli from Untitled Reviews, and today we're unboxing the BBQ Box. If you're not familiar with this subscription, it is a monthly assortment of items that help you bring together one recipe curated by a barbecue master. They're $24.99. So each box comes with something to help you smoke or something to help you create that, like a tool or a utensil or wood chips or whatever. And then there's also a sauce, a rub, an edible, like jerky, and a recipe. So $24.99, you get all that. It's a pretty darn good deal. I love this one because my husband loves it. So, like, if my husband loves it, he's never excited about subscription. He's like, yeah, no, I don't want one. So even like the men's clothing, like, he's not fat. He likes what he likes. It's very simple. He's not like a perfume, skincare kind of guy. Love him, but that's just not who he is. But this he gets excited for. So I love this one. And that's just, it's just us personally. I wish sometimes that he would be into more stuff like that, but he's just not. It's just not who he is. Alright, so each month is themed. You do, when you sign up, you tell them your favorite kind of barbecue style, like I love North Carolina. And then you also tell them your favorite cut of meat, like I love brisket. I ain't gonna lie, I love me some brisket. Alright, so you open it up and it looks just like this. And this is the first time we had one that looks like this. This is like a pamphlet. We've never had one like this, which I really like, so they're changing it up a bit. Ingredients: 1 large roasting chicken, a can of beer, 3 tablespoons of salt licks original. Oh, it's giving me away this is beer can chicken. Where I just fell. Oh, I'm looking at the things. I shouldn't be doing this. Why am I doing this? All right, so anyway, here's our little pamphlet. It's going to tell you your recipe inside as well as everything that you received. And then on the back, you can share your creations. All right, so we're going to look in from the top. All right, so right on the top here, we have Righteous Felon Craft Beef Jerky. This is Victorious BIG, beer-infused gastronomy. Stout-infused meat that's peppery and sweet. This is a 2-ounce bag. I love the bag. It is cool. Very, very cool. All right, next up we have, this is nice. This is a big sample. From Vaughn Wood Products. The chips are always from Vaughn Wood Products, I noticed. This is a mulberry wood chips sample. My husband says that these bags have exactly enough to do like one meat. But that's before. This looks like more than we've ever received before. Maybe it's not, just maybe the bag just changed. I'm not really sure, but it looks more full than before. All right, so then we're down to our sauces and our marinade, or it's our sauce and marinade, not sauces. So first we have the Salt Lick. Original barbecue sauce like no other. This is from there. It's made in Driftwood, Texas. So this might be a Texas style barbecue. I'm not going to open it up and try it right here. But it looks really good. The color looks like it has a lot of vinegar. And I like that. So that's always good. Like the lighter I noticed, the less sweet. Which is really good because I'm not a big sweet barbecue. I like tangy. I like almost sour. So there's that. And then our rub here is the Salt Lick Original Dry Rub for barbecue pit and grill. It says 12 ounces. So this is a giant, look at this giant container. Let's look over the ingredients. I will do that for the other one too. A blend of salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and spices. So they're very inconspicuous about what they put in there. And then in this one, it is soybean oil, sugar, distilled vinegar. That's like the third. Told you guys, because I can look at my sauce and tell you. Prepared mustard. And I love mustard. I love sauces with mustard. And they give you the ingredients for that. Mustard seed, salt, turmeric, spices. And there's Worcestershire sauce. There's water, salt, spices, and xanthan gum. It does include anchovies as well in there. So as like a, you know, it's probably in one of the, now I'm rambling. I hate when I do that. Anyway, I'm excited to try this one. It looks really good. So that is everything that we received in our barbecue box. For $24.99, you get a full size. This is, doesn't say the size here. Well, that is interesting. Psh, okay, whatever. A huge bottle of sauce. This sample of wood chips. a full-size bag of beef jerky, and then your 12 ounces of rub, plus your recipe, all delivered right to your door. I think it's a really great deal. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to read the full review, I will link to that below. I will also link to BBQ Box with my affiliate links so you can check them out. Thank you guys. I'll see you next time.